is Yes FM Stupid News.
I'm not sure how, but the guy gets arrested, and even though handcuffed, is able to steal a police car he's sitting in.
He's in the wrong field. He should not be a criminal. He should be an escape artist, like in Vegas or on the stretch or something. Home invader stole a police car. Officers called to a residence because a man named Matthew Bennis was ransacking it. They handcuffed him, put him in the back of the squad car.
Right.
Somehow he moved his handcuffs to the front of his body, was able to get to the front of the... You could do it if you're double jointed. You can.
Oh, my gosh.
And you've got to be, like, able to twist around. It's doable. I know people that are able to, like, twist like pretzels, but anyways. But then he got into the front seat. If you've ever seen the squad cars, usually it's not super accessible from the front to the back seat. There's usually something in the middle to block you out. But yeah, so he got in the driver's seat and drove off while handcuffed in front of him. Officers found the car a little while later and then ultimately used a helicopter to locate Bennett, who was still handcuffed. They charged him with burglary, evading arrest, and several other charges. Genius.
Then there's this one here. They pull over a guy for a DUI, and he has a very unique emotional support animal.
Yeah, so they pulled up. They're doing this DUI checkpoint. They look down and they notice on this gentleman's lap a python snake, a ball python. And if you're a cop and you look in, this is going to be a little creepy grab and go look here. And the man told officers the reason his snake was in the car with him and in his lap is it's his emotional support animal.
Yeah.
I've never known anyone to have an emotional support snake.
Yeah.
I've heard a lot of other animals, but that's new to me too.